might have experienced a situation where you're responsible for your corporate website, you're logging in, you want to add some text, you want to edit something, you want to make some changes, or might want to update some important things for some news, for example, and then you either cannot log in, or you realize the website is down, or in any case it doesn't work the way it's supposed to, or might even completely look different. If this is you, then you're in the same situation as a lot of content managers or people responsible for their corporate website. So what do? If you have one of those issues, you either contact your internal IT or you talk to your agency, then wait and just hope that the problem will be resolved quickly. But you never know exactly when, and you feel helpless because what do you tell your teammates? So you're basically waiting and just hoping that things will turn out to be solved fast. And for exactly this reason, we founded Webcare.ai to take care of your website maintenance reliably. So what do? Every month, we do recurring website maintenance, which includes updates, security updates. We make sure that the loading speed and the page performance is up to date, and take care of everything that is needed to make sure that your website runs exactly as it was designed and meant to function. How do we do it? We also integrate a monthly monitoring, which means that the moment your website is down or that it experiences any issue that is out of the ordinary, we get a notification and we will proactively go and fix any bugs or any issues that come with the website. So you can basically lean back and you know that in the background there's a reliable partner that will take care and watch any issues that may come up with the website. Also, on top, we've created an add-on product which revolves around SEO, so search engine optimization. So what we do there is, on a monthly level, we go in and check and fix any organic and technical on-page SEO issues that Google notifies us. So what we do is we log into Google Search Console, look at all the error and all the bug reports that we see, and we resolve them without you having to know about them and without you maybe even being aware of them. So I invite you to try Webcare.ai, which is the worry-free website maintenance and search engine optimization service, so that you can lean back and relax. Try us with our 30-day money-back guarantee or book a demo appointment with us. We're looking forward to talking to you.